Recently, on the 14th April 2026 to be precise, I was purportedly proclaimed to be suspended by the people who want to reap where they did not sow, as being expelled. I wish to say that I have willingly and voluntarily exited and had since extinguished my membership of ADC by constitutional method permitted under ADC Constitution. My political structure has put machinery in place to actualize my political ambition and further provisions of dividends of democracy through a platform that can accommodate that vision. Before I conclude this short address, in this press release, let me put on record that I was not in ADC to scatter the party. I labored more abundantly to build. Contrary to the video going viral, where Right Honorable Prof.Mgbeke, Chief of Staff to the President, advised me to stay in ADC, contest my re-election, and fight for my rights, and scatter the political marauders of the party. Right Honorable Prof.Mgbeke statement was made in jovial manner, not meaning to destroy any political party, and was quoted out of context. And by the grace of God, this insecurity you are seeing, very soon you see them no more. And it is the opposition that are fueling some of these crises here and there to want to make it to look to the outside world, international communities, to look as if what happened in 2014 is repeating itself in 2026. So they make it as if it is not working. But we know their tactics. Once the election is over, insecurity will die down. And secondly, I want to beg my brothers and sisters in northern Nigeria. I'm a northerner. I'm from the north. I'm from Kogi State. I belong to 19 northern states. I belong to the northern legislators. So I want to beg them that power is only given by God. They should not allow anybody to push them that they must take power at all costs. And by the grace of God, this insecurity you are seeing, only progressive governor standing as a member of ADC. Am I correct?
Yes.
So I start to fantastic question. Whether government releases or doesn't release. Anywhere I go, they go.